Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix problem communicating with Google servers. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So the error message problem communicating with Google servers typically indicates an issue with your device's connection to Google servers. This can happen for various reasons, such as network connectivity problems, server issues, or device-specific problems. So here are some steps you can try to resolve this issue. So first, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try opening a web page or using another app that requires an internet connection to confirm your connectivity. Next, restart your device. Sometimes a simple device restart can resolve temporary connectivity issues. Next is to check Google Services status. So visit the Google's G Suite status dashboard, this one, okay? So to see if there are any ongoing service outages that could be affecting your ability to connect. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you've searched this on your browser. Okay, so the next one, clear Google Play Services cache. Okay, so to do it, just go ahead and follow these steps. So first, go to your device's settings, then apps or applications. Then find and select Google Play Services. Tap on storage or storage and cache. And lastly, tap clear cache. Okay. Next is to remove and re-add Google account. Okay. So to do that, you need to go to your device's settings, then go to account. Select your Google account and remove it from the device. Restart your device and add the Google account back. Now check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause authentication issues. Make sure your device's date, time, and time zone are set correctly. Next is to try on a different network. If possible, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or use cellular data to see if the issue persists. Next is to check for software updates. Ensure that your device's operating system and apps, especially Google Play services, are up to date. And lastly, factory reset. So this is your last resort. So if all else fails, you might consider performing a factory reset on your device. However, be cautious as this will erase all your data and settings. If the issue persists despite trying these steps, you might want to contact Google support or the manufacturer of your device for further assistance. Keep in mind that the server-side issues or technical glitches could also be causing this error, so it might not always be something you can resolve on your own. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!